Hey, what's going on, everybody? Welcome back to the Credit Repair Junkies podcast, the show where we give you real strategies and powerful insights to help you grow, scale, and automate your credit repair business. I'm your host, Bruce Palatano, founder of Credit Repair Junkies and the CRO Bootcamp. Today, we're diving deep into a conversation that not enough people are having in this industry, which is why most credit repair businesses fail and how to avoid it. This episode is going to be a truth teller. If you're brand new to credit repair, or even if you've been in business for a few months, but things aren't clicking the way you want, stick around because what I'm about to share could be the very thing that saves your business or helps you avoid a ton of wasted time, money, and stress. So let me start by giving you some context about who I am and why you should care about what I'm saying. I've been in the credit repair industry since February of 2012. Over the years, I built multiple seven-figure credit repair businesses. You can see the awards I have for them behind me on this wall here. And I've seen the industry evolve. I've seen businesses come and go. And I've helped hundreds of credit repair entrepreneurs turn their side hustle into a real sustainable business. But I didn't start with a fancy playbook. I started like most of you. I was doing everything myself. I was trying to figure out how to get clients, how to manage disputes, how to explain the process, and how to make money consistently. I struggled, I failed, I made mistakes, I lost clients, I underpriced myself, I missed deadlines, I hit walls, but I learned. And what I learned is that this business is incredibly powerful if you build it right, and incredibly painful if you don't. So let's talk about why most people don't build it right. The number one reason most CROs fail is because they have no real foundation. Let me ask you a question. Would you build a mansion on a foundation made of toothpicks? Of course not. But that's exactly what most CROs are doing. They get excited about the idea of helping people fix their credit. They maybe watch a few videos online or buy a $47 course, then they slack together a logo, put up a social media page, and start promoting credit repair. And when they get a few clients, they're immediately overwhelmed. Why? Because they skipped the foundation. A real business foundation has three pillars: systems, automations, tech tools, and workflows that allow you to deliver service consistently. Processes, documented SOPs so anyone, including future hires, can follow what to do. People, you may start as a solo founder, but you need to build for scale. That means roles, responsibilities, and support. Here's what most CROs do. They send emails manually, they onboard clients manually, they forget to follow up, they don't track dispute rounds or progress, they do everything from memory, and that's not a business, that's a hustle. And hustles burn out. You need to build the kind of backend infrastructure that allows your business to run without chaos. That's the foundation. The second reason most credit repair businesses fail is this: they don't know how to sell. Let me clear something up. Credit repair is not a product people are usually out there searching for. Most people back credit don't even know how to describe their problem. They're ashamed, embarrassed, or just stuck. So that means you have to become the bridge between their pain and your solution. Most CROs think they'll just post memes and testimonials on Instagram and that'll bring in leads. But then they get on a sales call and have no clue what to say. They talk too much, they focus on features, they overeducate, and they don't ask for the sale. Instead, you should frame your credit repair service as a transformation. Use a doctor's office sales script. Ask closing questions with confidence. Handle objections without sounding pushy. Follow up like a professional, not a spammer. You should have pipelines to track leads, templates for follow-ups, script for calls, text and email cadences that convert. If you can't sell, your business can't survive. But when you learn how to enroll clients with clarity and confidence, game over. Next, let's talk about the oxygen of your business, which is leads. Most CROs struggle to stay consistent because they have no predictable lead system. One week they get 5 leads, the next week they get none. So they panic. They start posting randomly. They throw up Facebook ads with no strategy. They chase friends and family, and eventually they burn out. So here's the truth. You don't need 10,000 followers. You don't need to be a TikTok influencer. You do need a simple marketing system that runs weekly. You need to create simple content that attracts the right clients. Use lead magnets to build your list. Build affiliate partnerships with loan officers and realtors, and run paid ads that get results without wasting money. Set up automation so leads book themselves on your calendar. Marketing is not about being everywhere. It's about having a system that turns strangers into leads, leads into clients, and clients into fans. So let's recap the 3 biggest reasons CROs fail. No foundation, no sales system, no lead flow. And the fix for each of those is exactly what we cover inside the CRO Bootcamp. It's broken down into 3 core phases. First, build your foundation. We give you the automations, the systems, and the SOPs to run a real business. Second, master sales. You learn how to sell ethically, confidently, and effectively. even if you hate selling. And third, generate leads. You get plug and play marketing strategies to drive client growth weekly. This isn't theory. This is the exact roadmap I use to build my own seven-figure businesses. If this resonates with you, and if you're ready to stop winging it and start building a real business that works, then I want to invite you to check out the CRO Bootcamp. Go to creditrepairjunkies.com/go to learn more. And inside the CRO Bootcamp, we help you generate $10,000 per month in your credit repair business by enrolling 100 clients in 100 days guaranteed. And we help you build the automated business that can support that growth without you burning out. Thanks for tuning into this episode of the Credit Repair Junkies podcast. If you got value from today's episode, do me a favor. Share this with a fellow CRO. Subscribe, leave a review, and be sure to come back next Monday. Next week, we're diving into one of my favorite topics, how to sell credit repair without feeling salesy. Until then, keep growing, keep building, and keep serving your community. I'll see you on the next one.